I'm busy right now. Happy birthday, Corey. Just curious. Just curious about what? I love to go hiking, yes. It's actually been a while since I've been on a really good hike. Thank you for the roses. All right, right on the Gen X. Get to the gym. I will be going, not till this evening actually, but whatever, better late than never. Hello in North Minnesota. Dark, dreary kitchen. My kitchen is not dark and dreary. Beat it, Builder BC. We got someone from New Jersey in the building. Welcome. I have a lovely kitchen. That guy's great. That guy's crazy. Builder, you're crazy. Everybody loves my kitchen except you. You just love to come into my lives and cut up my kitchen. Cut up my kitchen, cut up my lighting, cut up my cabinets and the layout. You're just negative. Negative now with everything in my kitchen. How are you Canadian and don't like hockey? I don't like to watch sports. I like to do them. I like to be active. I'm not going to sit on a couch and watch other people play sports. Like, no, not a fucking chance. Maybe in 20 years when I start to slow down. But right now, I will not sit on the couch and watch someone else play a sport. Did you buy your house? Yeah. I didn't steal it. It's typically how you get a house. You gotta buy these things. Debbie Downer, your kitchen is awesome. Thank you, tall, dark, and handsome. Hello, Franklin. Drew, hello. See, Builder, if you're still in here, everyone likes my kitchen except you. Rollerblading, sport or no? I think that's supposed to be. Yes. You stole your house? Damn it. Surely didn't. Hello, Gunsmoke. I have never rollerbladed though. I know that is a thing. I think a lot of more like tropical places, nice places with nice roads and sidewalks do rollerblading. I don't know anyone that rollerblades around here though. My roads are just awful. You never could. I need your advice. Hello, Joey from Iowa. Good morning in Oklahoma. Hello, King. Thank you for the follow. Come on, you guys. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, like, share, follow. Why do I have so many of these all of a sudden now? So just last week I went through and I threw a bunch of my old glasses out and I decided to swap them out for these mason jars. So these are now my cups. They're thicker, stronger. They have the measurements all over them for the different ounces, which I find are really cool. But I just found it more like a little kind of rustic feel. So these are my my tall cups. And then I've got some of these mason jars for my small cups. Here's actually, what is the difference for the measurements? These ones 500 mils. These ones might be, I don't know. Anyways, are you live? And yes, Mikey, I am. But yeah, so these ones seemed a little more rustic, country, and definitely a lot stronger than like a normal glass, especially the glasses I had. I mean, what do they come in a set? 8 or 12? And over time, I ended up with only 3 when I went through and I bought the mason jars to replace like my tall glasses. I only technically had 3 tall glasses left, and I think two or 3 like of the short ones. So I just threw them in the recycling and they're gone. They're gone. Now I have mason jar cups. I also had to go through my mugs because I have accumulated way too many random mugs lately. No, I have never been skydiving, but I might be afraid of heights. I don't think I'd like skydiving very much. Has anyone else done skydiving? James from Georgia. Hello, James. I have so many mugs. I just threw some out. But my dad's got this thing with bringing mugs to my house. And he just keeps bringing them more and more and more. And then, yeah, I think about some weird mugs. But I did. Good morning. Yeah, I actually threw some in the garbage recently. I had one that was like a fish, and then the handle was like the tail of the fish, but that one was looking kind of rough. It was kind of like all chipped. So I got this one.